I'm cooking breakfast.
Since a year and a half, she started cooking. Now she's at 3.5.
No, I'm
almost 4.
No, I'm 3.75.
Oh, 3 3/4. And she has stepped up her breakfast game. And today she is making eggs, but an omelette. Yep. So first thing she's doing is chopping some butter. Right. I think the pan's hot. All right, good job. Good job. All right.
Yes.
Next step, what do you do next?
Yes.
Yep, that's the knife. Okay, she's got her eggs, and you stir them. Yep. Girl, growing fast. So now instead of 2 eggs, she's got 4 in there. You're gonna share some, right? Okay, good. All right, go for it.
I don't want to burn myself.
No, yeah, we'll get careful. Beautiful. Nice. Thin pancake, filling that whole pan. Okay. Awesome.
Yeah.
What do you do next for your omelet? Yeah. So Enid's favorite thing is to put some nutritional yeast in here. Gives it a nice flavor.
And I always put nutritional at school in my pasta.
Oh yeah, I put it in your pasta too. It's a cheese alternative. She also, we went out and picked some herbs from the garden, so that's the next phase. And she's chopped up some basil and some tomatoes. What was it? Thyme. And there might be some rosemary in there. I'm not sure. Okay. Yeah. And so then she mixes that up real good. Make sure it's all mixed. Yeah. And it's got cottage cheese in it, which isn't maybe a traditional cheese, but it melts and it's nice and creamy.
It always melts in eggs.
Yeah. So you get an Enid's recipe here. I'll attach it below the video. Yeah. Okay, so Enid's now you're folding your omelet. Is that what's going on here?
Yeah.
Ah, nice. You're a pro. Oh, you think it's ready? Do you need a plate? Oh my gosh, I'm forgetting everything. I'm sorry. Okay, so since Enid cooks her breakfast, there's a pause moment between when she takes it off and she moves her chair back to the table. Yeah. See, she's already had her morning tea.
I love the yummy food, thank you.